Hello everyone, it's Allison here from learn2tradecrypto.net. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to look at the impending Bitcoin death cross. Today is the 18th of June 2021, and there's been quite a lot of mentions of the Bitcoin death cross on social media, Twitter, Facebook, you name it. A lot of people are worried, and even in my Telegram channel, someone has already asked me what the death cross means. Simply put, the death cross is when two moving averages, usually a faster moving average, like the 50-period moving average, 50-period simple moving average, crosses over a longer term, slower moving average, like the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. That will be my reference point. Now, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in crypto. Despite the fact that we are in a bear market, well, that we are in a retracement, not a bear market per se, I'm quite happy to send out $100 in crypto to any of my lucky subscribers. I think I'm currently around 2,500 subscribers at the moment. So when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on that notification button. When I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to go big and give out a Ledger Nano S as well. So today I want to talk about the impending death cross, and not just that, what is the significance of the death cross itself, and should you be worried about it? I'll leave a link to an excellent article by Cointelegraph about why sometimes the death cross should not really be such a massive issue. So we're looking at the chart of Bitcoin right now. This is the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin. And we've seen, I've just put on an SMA cross, moving average cross indicator on this chart. And you can see straight away that, previously we've had a few of those in the past. If we make that bigger, I can see some of them. Moving averages I don't trade with them. They're actually lagging indicators. So you can see the ones we had before. This was around the end of March in 2028. But you can see that was the top of the top price of Bitcoin at the time, which was about almost $20,000 at the time. But then we had the cross. This was December of 2017, sorry. As you can see, the Bitcoin peaked at December 17, 2018, but we never even had the death cross until the end of March 2018, which confirms what I'm telling you, that the death cross is actually lagging. Moving averages themselves are lagging indicators, which is why I don't actively trade with them. So because before they show up on the chart or give you a signal, it's already, the price is already gone. The market is already fallen quite a lot, or actually risen quite a lot. If you're in the middle of a trend, it's great, but timing your entries and exits of moving averages is never a good idea, so don't do it, okay? So we see what happened here. By the time we had this cross here, the market had actually bottomed at about, what price was it? $6,000. And then when it happened, it was already, at support, and that would have given you a nice buy opportunity if you play the short game or short-term game. That would have been an opportunity to buy the market, because by the time it appeared, it had already fallen, from almost 20,000. We had a cross at about 6,000. Okay, so basically, yeah, the price were in a downtrend all this while, and the opposite of it is a golden cross, which we had here. Okay, so but then when the market is in consolidation, it is difficult to make your judgment using moving average crosses. Okay, it's not a very, very good idea. Okay, so right now this is where we are today, June 18, 2020, and you can see that we are almost having a touch here. Now, personally speaking, so this price has fallen from 64,000 to about 30,000. We'll probably say about 50% drop already. and we've never had a cross yet. So if history is anything to go by, Bitcoin had fallen over 60%. Well, a huge percentage before we had the last cross before we had a cross in 2018. So this cross might still be a long way off. Okay, I don't like this way of trading. Just that I have to respond to comments and for an explanation. Now I prefer to use things like volume profile and then evolving market structure for my trades. I like to use acquisition channels. I like to use basically evolving market structure to trade. And this is why it's been so good for us the last couple of months, taking positions in crypto and literally making what we call life-changing money. Okay, so this is the kind of chart I would use to trade. This is the chart of Bitcoin that I'm watching at the moment, and this gives me a better idea of what is going on. You can see this old recent bullish channel that we had here, and then price broke out of it, made a head and shoulders pattern. So this is what I'm anticipating at the moment. So this blue zone here you find, this is the area I'm expecting some resistance for Bitcoin. Even though we bounced off this 31K support, we are working our way up to 47K. Of that, I have no doubt. So I would expect to see a rise here again now. If I just clone this one, you can see that this zone where we are right now, you can see we've taken out, this is an area of previous resistance, now becoming support on here. So we're working our way up to 46K zone. This is where I'm expecting to get some more resistance because we've had some previous support here, which is likely to become resistance around here. If price goes up all the way, fantastic. If it comes all the way down, when price comes to this zone, I'm going to be selling a lot more of my crypto and converting them to USDT to be able to buy back at the very bottom, okay? So just a quick video on my thoughts about the death cross, what it means, its implications. You can see we already have a bottom here. Still, there is no death cross, okay? It's very, very slow, it's lagging, and I would not advise anybody to use that in their trading, okay? And for example, like I said, I use market structure, evolving market structure, Fibonacci retracement, both retracement and extensions for my profit targets. And this is what we have been doing so well. If you want to join us in our trading Telegram channel, I'm going to be leaving links below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification button on, because when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in crypto. It might not be a big deal, but it could help somebody. It could be a nice gift for somebody to get $100 in free money. And also when I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a Ledger Nano S for you to store your cryptocurrencies, okay? So it's Allison. Thank you for watching. I hope if you have any comments about my thoughts on the death cross, please let me know. I would like to hear what your comments are as well, what your thoughts are. And I will hopefully see you again in my next video.